Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss sets, class 10, exercise 2.1, problem number 5678. In the previous video, we have seen what is set, how to write belongs to and does not belongs to. In this session, we are going to discuss how to write roster form and how to write set builder form. Click this I button to learn introduction to sets. Let us see the fifth question. Write the following sets in roster form. So the roster form in we can write, that is first question, it is given in the set builder form in given, we need to write the roster form. So B equal x such that x is a natural numbers smaller than 6. What are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on are called natural numbers. Up to how many we can take? Smaller than 6 means less than 6. Less than 6 means up to 5 we need to take. So B equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the set of natural numbers less than 5. So x says that x is a natural number smaller than 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next second one. What is second? C equal x says that x is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. For example, 2-digit numbers you know. So what are the 2-digit numbers? 11, 12, 13, so on up to 99 are the 2-digit numbers. If we are adding the digits, we need 8. So for example, I am taking 11 I am taking. So 11 means how? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 how much we are getting? 2 we are getting. But how much we need? 8 we need. Like that 2-digit numbers we need to take. For example, I am taking 17. 17 means 1 plus 7. 1 plus 7 is 8 or not? Like that numbers we have to choose and we can write. So C equal, so the 2-digit number is 17 and 26, 35, 44 and 53, 62 and 71 are the 2-digit natural numbers such that the sum of its digits is 8. Once you have to check it, 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 6 also 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 8, 6 plus 2 8, 7 plus 1 also 8. So the sum of the digits is 8 means we can write this all are 2-digit numbers only. Next one it is D equal x such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Prime numbers only we should take. What is prime? 1 and itself only factors means it is the prime numbers. So what are the divisors of 60? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 4 table also we are getting, 4 also there here, 4, 15 for the 16 and 30 and 60. In this we need to take only prime numbers we need to take. So here 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number and 5 is the prime number. Remaining all are composite numbers. So D equal x such that x is a prime number which are divisible by 6, divisor of 60. Divisor of 60 means, so the prime numbers 2, 3 and 5. These are divisor of 60 which are taken prime numbers. Next one it is E equal x such that x is an alphabet in better. So BETTER. So better in what is the how we can write the roster form we can write. So here B E T, here T is repeated. Repeated means only once it is enough. In while writing in the set roster form, only once only we can write, we can take. So remaining one is R. BETR. That is the roster form of E equal. Next one, it is sixth problem. Sixth problem, that is write the following sets in set builder form. So here in roster form in given, we need to write the set builder form. So what is the first question? The set of 3, 6, 9, 12. So what type of elements that are? Multiple of 3. Multiples of 3. So set builder form of given one is X such that X is a multiple of 3 and X less than 13. X less than 13. Here X values below 13 only we should take. So otherwise we can write like this also. 3x such that X is a natural number comma X less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4 means natural numbers only we need to take 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you have to substitute 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So up to 4 values only we need to take. The second question, that is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So these all are 2 power x model. Means, so 2 power x such that x is natural number and comma x less than or equal to 5. X less than or equal to 5. So x less than or equal to 5 means below 5 numbers we need to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5. So less than or equal means we can consider 5 also. 2 power 2 we are getting. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 4, 16. 2 power 5, 32 we are getting. So this is the set builder form of given roster form. Next, third one, it is 5, 25, 125 and 625. So these all are 5 power x model, means powers of 5. See here, this one we can write 5 power x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X less than or equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4. If we can take x less than or equal to 4 means natural numbers up to 4 we need to take. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 power 1, what we can get? 5. 5 power 2, it means 5 into 5, that is 25. 5 power 3, 125. 5 power 4, 625 we are getting. So here we are substituting means we are getting the values. This is the set builder form of given roster form. Last one, it is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 and so on 100. These all are squares of natural numbers less than 100. So like this you can write it. X square such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number. X less than or equal to 10. X less than or equal to means we need to consider 10 also here. So here 1 square means 1 we are getting, 2 square means 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square up to 10 we need to take, that is 100. This is the given roster form for set builder form. This is the set builder form of given roster form. Next one, it is seventh problem, that is write the following sets in roster form. So first question, that is a equal x such that x is a natural number greater than 50 and smaller than 100. So what type of numbers, elements we need to take? Here natural numbers we need to take from above 50, greater than 50 and below 100, smaller than 100. Means a equal set of 51, 52, 53, so on. Up to how many we can take? 99. Smaller than 100. Smaller than 100 means here less than 100. Less than means don't consider here 100. That is the first one. This is the roster form. Next, second one. B equal x such that x is an integer of x square equal 4. Integer means positive values, negative values, include 0. So here what is the condition here given? X square equal 4. The square we are transposing means x equal under root 4 means we are getting plus or minus 2. So what we can get the integers? The plus or minus 2. B equal minus 2 and 2 only we can get. Minus 2 comma 2. Next third one it is D equal x such that x is a letter in the word LOYAL. So in the word, in this we can write in the roster form. So here L comma O comma Y comma A, already L we written. So don't repeat in the elements. So this is the seventh one. Last question in 2.1, that is 8th one. See, let us see the 8th problem. Match the roster form to set builder form. First one it is 1, 2, 3, 6. Second one 3, 2, 3. Third one MA, the set of MA, THEICS. Fourth one 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. In the set builder form, in this all are roster form in given. This is the x such that x is a prime number and x divisor of 6. B, x such that x is a odd natural numbers smaller than 10. 6. C, x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So here set builder form once you have to say x such that x is a prime number and x a divisor of 6. A divisor of 6. So here divisor of 6 we need to take. So prime numbers in divisors. So what is the divisors of 6? First of all, so the divisors of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. So in this we need to choose prime numbers we need to choose. So prime numbers means x such that x is a prime number and x is a divisor of 6. So 2 and 3 are the divisors. Means here 2 and 3 means we are getting here A we are getting. This is the A. Next set builder form for B, x such that x is a odd natural number. X is a odd natural number smaller than 10. What are the natural numbers? Already you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on are called the natural numbers. In that odd natural numbers. What are the odd natural numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Up to smaller than 10 they asked. Smaller than 10 means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Means this is belongs to B. Next one it is C. X such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. So what are the divisors of 6? 1, 2, 3 and 6. Means 1, 2, 3, 6. Means we can get here. First one is C. So next x such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So mathematics in how we can write in the roster form? M, A, M, A, T, H, T, H, E, E, M repeated, no need to write. A also no need to write. P already it is written, no need. ICS means this is D. So this is the roster form to set builder form. We have seen how to write roster form and set builder form. In the next video, we will see about union of set, intersection of sets and differences of set. Do comment if you have any clarification on this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.